Hey guys, Mike from CCTV Camera Pros here. The other day we got some awesome video surveillance footage of a bear that came up our driveway and then walked through our side yard. And it was a few days after I installed our new Viewtron IP camera system at our house up here in the mountains in Colorado. I actually caught footage of this bear on 5 of our cameras that showed me how great the coverage we have up here is with the new system I installed. But I want to show you footage from 3 of those cameras. The first one being this Viewtron 180-degree security camera. It captured footage of the bear walking right up our driveway. It was absolutely perfect. And then when the bear walked over here to the side yard, one of our Viewtron IP AX8D cameras, that's one of our alarm security cameras, caught him coming around the corner. And then when he walked through the neighbor's yard over here and headed towards the gulch, that Viewtron IP A8BL captured him. These are all 4K IP cameras, and they're all hardwired to our Viewtron 16-channel NVR that we have in the house. Take a look at this awesome video footage of this bear. Here's the multi-camera live view on the Viewtron security camera system. And what I'm going to do to enter the playback mode is I'm going to select this button in the lower left and then select playback. This opens up the recorded video playback screen. And here you can see all 8 cameras that I have connected. And I'm going to jump right to the date and the time that I know that this bear recording took place. So we'll jump to that time and date. You can use this timeline over here to jump right to a point in time. And then I'm going to enable full screen mode to get rid of that timeline scrubber on the right. And there you can see the bear coming over from my neighbor's yard over there on the right. And he just comes right across my driveway and really is heading right towards the Viewtron 180 camera right now. What an amazing view. And then in a second, I'm going to pause the video so I can switch to the multi-camera screen on the video playback, because I'm going to switch to one of the side yard cameras now. So I'll double click on this camera and you'll see him come right around the corner. We get a great shot of him here. And then I'm going to pause the video again and switch to the other side camera so you can see him walking away and heading off to the Keystone Gulch. And I'll rewind it a bit so we can get a little more footage of him from this angle. And on the Viewtron video player, on the DVRs and NVRs, you can go in forward and reverse. And you can go in regular speed, or you could slow things down, or you could speed things up, which comes in handy when you're sifting through video footage. But there he goes. I mean, he's getting pretty far from the camera right now, and you can see him great. I mean, he's probably 60, 80 feet away. He's well into the neighbor's yard, and he's just there's a gulch over there, which is like a small river, and I guess he's heading over there. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that video footage of that bear coming across our property. Although I installed these cameras up here for security, the wildlife up here is amazing. And I'm going to be working on testing out this new piece of equipment that can actually detect bear and moose and big cats and all kinds of wildlife. Our Viewtron IP cameras are primarily for security, but I hooked up with this other company that specializes in animal detection, and their AI software is compatible with our Viewtron cameras. So I'm going to be testing that up here. So be on the lookout for some of those videos. In the meantime, if you want to learn more about these cameras that I'm using at my house up here in the mountains, you can email me directly anytime. I can be reached at mike@viewtron.com. I'm going to post a whole bunch of still images. I'm going to post the original video export files from that bear footage on our blog. If you want to take a look at the blog post, please visit www.viewtron.com/bear. Thank you for watching.